On my way to Hard Rock Casino to see if I can win big, hopefully quit my job. Stay tuned.
Okay, so just showing you how they have it set up. They put plexiglass between all the casino games, and if they couldn't get plexiglass on the machine like these ones, they just turned off these two machines in the middle so there's space. In general, they're doing a good job. Some of them, you're kind of close to the person, maybe like 2.5, 3 feet away, but in general, they're doing a good job.
So the bar is open. You can get some drinks and walk around with it as long as you're socially distant, I guess, when you're drinking it. Nothing like having a beer inside a building for once.
Their bar was open, and if you have drinks, you can take your mask off and drink them. We're sitting at a table right next to the center bar, but I'm pretty sure you can walk around with your drink with your mask off, if that's something you're comfortable. But we're excited that it was open. I think this is like the only bar open in Yuba County right now, so we got lucky. Okay, these candles are made in Yuba City, and this one smells like downtown Disney. I was like, I'm gonna smell it, I'm gonna commit to it. It smells amazing. It smells like a bakery. I'm getting it. I'm so excited.
Time to change my life.
We put our name in the burger joint, so we're waiting to be called. They said like 25 minutes. It's already midnight, so we should be any second now.
Steak burger, onion strings, applewood smoked bacon, cheddar cheese.
Okay, I'm kind of an onion ring snob, so let's see if these are good.
The knives here are like little tiny stiletto switchblades, like you see in old greaser films.
Yep, these are super good. Get these. Last time I got the fries. They're okay, just basic fries, but get these.
It looks like a little grab-and-go deli coffee place here is open, which is kind of cool.
He challenged him to tic-tac-toe while we're waiting. I'm dying.
I'll try to make myself.
Uh-oh, don't live.
Hey guys, so I didn't end up winning enough money to quit my job, but we did get some good food and found a good candle there to make the house smell good at least. So until next time guys, we'll see ya.